guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. If you are new, thanks for coming, and I hope you hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm going to be using products from April's Boxycharm and a few products from March Boxycharm. So if you guys want to see the look and hear my thoughts, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so in this month's Boxycharm, we got a lot of really awesome products, as I feel like we normally do. One of those products is the Pure Cosmetics Festival Palette. It's a 12-piece eyeshadow palette with pressed pigment in there, and the packaging is just so beautiful, summer ready, so festival style, and with it being festival season, this is definitely the perfect palette to get. So this is the actual palette. These are the shades, and you get glitter, pressed glitter, 2 of them, and then these beautiful pigments. You get a mirror, which is lovely. And then also we got 3 Luxie brushes. The brushes pretty much match the packaging, with it being pink into orange and then yellow, and they are just beautiful. So one of them is a contour brush, the other one is a big eyeshadow brush, and then we have like a little brush, eyeshadow brush, which I believe we could put the glitter on with, or you could pack on shadows. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is using my AOA Studio E130 brush. It's a blending eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go into the shade Epic, and I'm going to start blending that into the crease. That I have that done, I'm going to go into this hot pink shade called Wild Child. Very pigmented. I'm going to start blending that in. Then I'm going to be using a small e.l.f. brush to cut the crease, and I have been loving this Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas. I have been actually prepping my eyes with it, so I'm going to use this to go ahead and cut the crease. Alright, once we have that done, we're going to use this Luxie 245 small shader brush that we got in our Boxycharm, and we're going to go into Gypsy. right on top of that, we're going to take Fireworks, which is this really pretty pressed glitter. Alright, so now that we have that part done, we did get this Beauty for Real Flash Line 24/7 liquid liner in jet black. So I'm going to pop on a wing. Alright you guys, so I ended up going over top of my wing with this NYX liquid liner because I always forget that when you're using glitter, the felt tip liners are really hard to go over top of them, but it is a really nice liner. Okay, so since this look is going really dramatic and the wing ended up being way more intense than I intended it to be, I am going to be putting on some lashes, but I am still going to use the mascara that came in this month's Boxycharm from Butter London. This is the Power Up mascara. I'm going to go off camera and finish my face, come back because there are some products that need to go on after foundation. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so we have lashes, you know, foundation, contour, and now I'm going to use my Cover FX palette that I got in last month's Boxycharm. This is the Perfector Face palette, and I can't use this contour shade. I've been using it as like an eyeshadow, so it's just a little bit too light for me to contour with, but I am going to be going into the blush because I love this blush, and we're gonna just pop that on really quickly here. Like, I think it just is a nice, really pretty, natural pink shade. And then the next product from this month's Boxycharm box is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. You guys know, if you've been with me, that I love the Artist Couture highlights. And this is the shade Summer Haze. Perfect for this festival look. That glow. Of course, you guys know I gotta pop this on the inner corners. And the liner and lip product that I'm going to use has nothing to do with my Boxycharm box, so I'm just going to pop that on real quick, but I will tell you what it is. This is the EBIN New York Professionals liner in Cherry Kool-Aid. I'm going to put that on the lower lash line, and I'm going to use my LA Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick in Eclipse. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I think it is actually a very wearable festival look. I absolutely love this Pure Cosmetics festival palette. I'm going to be using it a lot for summertime as well as the highlight. I think that everything that I got in this month's Boxycharm, I'm going to be reaching for a lot. I love all of the products. So if you guys enjoyed this video and this look, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit your bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos here with me. Also, you guys, check out my second channel, Shanae's Life. The link will be in the description box down below. Make sure you read that for any additional information. And as always, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.